Hello students, this is Meghna Badan and welcome to our YouTube channel St. Xavier's Hardoi, and today we will be covering our chapter number 7 of class 4 general knowledge, that is sporting legends. But before starting my video, I request you all to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the further notifications, and do not forget to like and share my video if you like it. But before starting my video, I want to know about what are legends. Do you know? So, who are legends? Legends refers to someone very famous and admired, usually because of their ability in a particular area. Thus, the legends related with the sports are known as the sporting legends. Now, we will start with some of the names of the sporting legends. Now, our first sporting legend is the Major Dhyan Chand, the hockey legend. Major Dhyan Chand is considered as one of the greatest hockey players in the history of the sport, and he has earned 3 Olympic gold medals during the era where the India dominated the field of hockey. And do you know, he was nicknamed as the wizard, or we say the magician, because of his super ball control in the hockey field. Now, our next sport legend is the Garry Kasparov, the chess legend. Garry Kasparov is a Russian chess grandmaster, the former world chess champion. He is considered as the greatest chess player of all the time and has ranked number 1 in the world for 225 weeks in the overall career. Now, next comes to the Usain Bolt, the athleticism legend. The Jamaican athlete Usain Bolt is considered as the lightning bolt and has smashed the world record for 100-meter and 200-meter. He has won the triple Olympic gold medals at the 2008, 2012 and 2016 Olympics, making him one of the most decorated Olympians in the world. Now, next come the Roger Federer, the tennis legend. Roger Federer is a Swiss professional tennis player who is ranked world number 4 in the men's singles tennis and has won 20 Grand Slam titles and has held the world number 1 spot in the ATP rankings for a record of total 310 weeks. Now, the next sporting legend is the Muhammad Ali. He is among the American boxers and has won the greatest boxers of the 20th centuries, and out of 61 fights he has won 56. And do you know, he has the 3 times world heavyweight champion in the boxing and is the one of the greatest boxers of all the time. Now here comes our favorite. Who is he? Do you know this? Do you know, students? Yes, he is our favorite Sachin Tendulkar. His full name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, is an Indian former international cricketer. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of the cricket and is the highest run scorer of all the time in the international cricket. And people call him with love as Master Blaster and God of Cricket. He is the only player to score over 30,000 runs in the international cricket, and he is awarded by Arjuna Award in 1993, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 1997 and Bharat Ratna, that is the highest civilian award of India, in 2013. Now our next sporting legend is the Tiger Woods. Eldrick Todd Tiger Woods is his full name, is an American professional golfer and widely regarded as one of the greatest golfers and one of the most famous athletes of all the time. Is popularly nicknamed as Tiger, and he is awarded as a Player of the Year by Professional of Golf Association for the 11th time. Now, the football legend is the Pele. Pele is the winner of the 3 World Cups and belongs to Brazil, and he has scored 1,281 goals in 1,363 games, and since retirement Pale has become a global ambassador for sport and is well known for overcoming poverty. Now, the next sporting legend is the Michael Jordan, the basketball legend. He is popularly known as by his initials. MJ is an American professional former basketball player and he has played 15 seasons in the NBA, winning 6 championships in the Chicago Bulls. Now here comes the last sporting legend of our list, that is the Michael Phelps, the swimming legend. Do you know people call him as the flying fish because he is the fastest human that our species has known underwater. He has won 28 Olympic medals, which makes him not only the best swimmer but also one of the greatest athletes to walk the planet. Now, before concluding this chapter, I would like to take an activity. So, the activity is match the following. As you are seeing, the left side, the name of the sporting legends are written, and on the right side, the sports are mentioned. So, let's start. First is Gary Kasparov. We have started. Who is Gary Kasparov? The chess legend. So, we will match it with chess. Second is Muhammad Ali. We have studied. He is an American boxing legend. So, we will match it with boxing. Third is Pele. Is a what? Yes, he is a football legend. So, we will match it with football. Fourth is Dhyan Chand, the hockey legend. So, we will match it with hockey. Last is Michael Phelps. The people call him as flying fish in swimming game. So we will match it with swimming. And the last is the Sachin Tendulkar, the cricket legend. So we will match it with cricket and name it with 6. Thank you students. Hope you like my video.